GMA Heat Index sizzling this morning with the scathing, profanity-laced letter a college student sent her sorority sisters. Pretty startling rant, packed with personal criticism.
Ouch.
Caused a viral backlash, all against the writer. Could she be the biggest mean girl ever? ABC's Paula Ferris has the story.
Get in, loser. We're going shopping.
They're the girls we love to hate.
It's our burn book. So we cut out girls' pictures from the yearbook, and then we wrote comments.
Girls who seem downright nasty and bad to the bone, as characterized in movies like Mean Girls. But what we're about to show you isn't a movie. It's real life. And really profane. This email, containing over 50 expletives, which we've concealed, was sent by one woman to her Delta Gamma sorority sisters at the University of Maryland, saying, "I've been getting texts on texts about people literally being so bleeping awkward and so bleeping boring." The now infamous email ripping into them for not being social enough during Greek Week.
If you just opened this like I told you to.
The email now even spawning spoof madness on the internet.
Tie yourself down to whatever chair you're sitting in.
Because this email is going to be a rough ride.
Dozens of videos like this one from Funny or Die's Michael Shannon.
If you're reading this right now, you're saying to yourself, OMG, I've been having so much fun with my sisters this week. Then punch yourself in the face.
Her sorority telling ABC News Overnight they have a team working to take all appropriate action in the aftermath of this event, and that this letter in no way reflects the values of Delta Gamma. The university saying they won't comment as to whether or not they'll be taking disciplinary action. And while some students are finding humor in it,
I think it's a great letter.
I think it's written by a guy. I think there's no way a girl could possibly speak like that.
perhaps this young lady is having the last laugh in the voice of Michael Shannon.
For those of you who are offended at this email, I apologize, but I really don't give a Go yourself.
For Good Morning America, Paula Ferris, ABC News, New York.
Pretty inspired to have Michael Shannon do that right there.
I like the one remark. It had to be written by a guy. No girl talks like that. Well, guess
I mean, it's Ari from Entourage times 100. Wow. I cannot express to you.
You've read the whole thing.
Oh, yes. It was.
Care
It lends
to do a
itself.
dramatic reading?
Yeah. Yes, on GMA After Dark.
GMA Live. We should get into it a little bit.
Available.
It's so profane. You can't really.
No, we had to be careful in that piece, but suffice it to say,
it's bad.
I should say school officials say no disciplinary action taken yet, but if they find any real threats, they will make a move.